Concerning the health scenario at Meghalaya, a free medical camp was organized by drivers and police personnel in the northeast state. Well, in this regard, the Shillong Traffic Police, in collaboration with the District Medical and Health Services, organized a free medical camp at Kindalad in state capital Shillong. The free medical camp was significantly organized for drivers and policemen, who often face numerous health challenges due to their occupation. Well, SP Traffic and the East Khasi Hills in Meghalaya, Kamakhya Prasad, was present during the camp and shared the motivation and mantra behind this initiative. Well, Prasad further said that this health camp has been organized so as to cater to the medical needs of drivers and policemen who face several health challenges, including noise pollution, which can also lead to various health ailments and hazards. He further said that this is not the first time the Shillong Traffic Police has organized such an event. This was further informed that last year a collaborated free eye checkup camp was also conducted at the Meghalaya state capital city.
From the Superintendent of the Police Traffic, East Khasi Hills, as they conducting this medical camp and awareness. And as such, from our department, we came from Civil Hospital Shillong and for screening of hearing loss, hearing impairment. Any patient or anybody having any decrease in hearing loss or having any difficulty in hearing or any ringing sensation in the ear, they can come here and avail the screening program that we are conducting today for any case of prevention of hearing loss and for detecting any early stage of hearing loss. So anyone having any problem, they can come here and we are conducting this medical camp as a free of cost, and they can come again for the review also in Civil Hospital Shillong for the PT, that's superior audiometry, and for the
free medical health camp. Basically it is being conducted for the drivers and the policemen. The objective of this medical camp is that both the drivers and the policemen are on the duty. That has to face many challenges in terms of sound and noise pollution, whereas the driver also, they are suffering from the different ailments. Maybe we can say that the hypertension, then after that the neurological disorders, cardiovascular problems. So all these problems which may affect the health of the drivers as well as the police personnel also work on the duty. So therefore, what we have planned that in coordination with the DMNHO office, as you could see that all the department doctors who are available here and all the peoples, that means all walks of the peoples, even the drivers, the policemen and the general public, they are availing the service. This is a good sign. Our motto is to remain fit.